Hello everyone, we're gonna take some hair from both the sides, adding a rubber band, making a low pony from the remaining hair for the folding it out into a bun. Next we're gonna take all of the hair and then making a ponytail, adding a rubber band. Then while making it, we're gonna divide it into two and making this bow. When completing it, we're gonna secure it by using the spin and it's ready. Next, we're gonna take all of the hair and by using our finger, we're gonna simply fold it out like this, adding this beautiful butterfly pin for securing the hair. Next, we're gonna take a low ponytail, then folding it out by adding a rubber band and adding this clip further for securing. Next, we're gonna take a low ponytail, adding a rubber band on the end and then making a space in between, folding it out into this bun and then adding this purple clip at the top. Next, we're going to take a ponytail and then folding it out, making a space in the middle and then inserting this clip for securing it and it is ready. Next, we're going to take a ponytail and underneath it, we're going to add this beautiful clip. Then taking the remaining hair, adding a rubber band and securing it with this clip into this beautiful hairstyle. Next, we're going to grab all of the hair, folding it out into a straight bun and then adding this butterfly clip for securing it.